earlier this year when the IRS auditors and agents, people working for the IRS, were being downsized. So many people were telling me, I'm not going to file taxes anymore. They'll never catch me. The wealthy don't file taxes. They don't pay taxes. So either should I. Well, the problem is humans aren't auditing anymore, but AI is. There's so many changes. There's so many complexities to this thing. And that's why the IRS is hiring people back. And that's where they're working so hard to use AI to audit and to change, and recognizing AI audits are scary because they're going to go faster. They don't need to sleep. Humans need to rest. They take vacations, they have holidays, they have sick time, all this stuff. But AI can just work around the clock and just be auditing and saying, upload all your documents and we'll analyze it, and especially with crypto trades. It just can handle so much more quicker. And so that's why we need to be prepared. That's why we need to be using AI tools and preparing everything digital. There's so many accountants that will say, oh, just keep paper receipts, just keep paper. All the IRS just needs is bank statements. They don't need actual receipts. No, they need actual digital receipts to upload to their systems. And if it's not formatted the right way, it's going to get rejected, and it's going to create more time and headache. If we don't have time to do it right the first time, we sure don't have time to do it the second, third, fourth time. I have so many audits that they're having to reconstruct their books and records, and they're spending so much extra time. I had to pay the dumb tax. Now I know. And it's frustrating because it's 2 or 3 years ago that happened, and they don't have the records, and receipts fade and all that toxic chemicals that are on receipts. So don't get receipts. Get everything electronic. Keep it. There's all these programs that we use to help organize. So stay digital. Focus upon the digital. Use digital stuff. Tracking. Don't commingle. If you have a Venmo or PayPal or other types of online services, keep business and personal separate, because in an audit, they're going to want to see all those Venmo and PayPal, Cash App, all these apps they're going to want to see. And it's just a nightmare to go back and to prove that it was actual personal and not a business expense, because the IRS or the state will just say, well, that's income, prove otherwise. So we have to really look at taxes as like a coin. One side of the coin, all income is taxable. On the other side of the coin, nothing is deductible. And we have to have authority in order to take those deductions and not report the income. So don't get caught